subject of numerology allows you to assess potential nature and outputs of the individual being analyzed. Numbers used for calculations include name, date of birth, home address, etc. Numerology being practiced today has its roots based on teachings of ancient Greek philosopher and mathematician named Pythagoras. According to his belief, all energetic vibrations stem from numbers which influence the physical nature of individuals. List of potential careers that can be pursued in light of numerology are summarized at the end of this video. This facet of science can be cautiously utilized to gain insight into hidden nature and capabilities of the person being assessed for hiring or allocation of specific assignments or jobs, as well joining any group of individuals or team of professionals. This study will also encourage you to think about what you are good at and what you might find challenging in a career. Although math is feared by most of us as a complex and extremely difficult subject, yet numerology requires only pen, paper and simple calculator to assess individuals' habits and future course of action. All digits of date of birth are reduced till a single digit number is achieved. This is called the root number or life path number. However, 11 and 22 are excluded, which are called master numbers. In the date of birth flashed on screen, the life path number is 5. Person born on this date will have personality characteristics summarized for this number. If the final number is either 11 or 22, it is not reduced to a single digit. These numbers are assumed to possess stronger connotations of their root numbers, namely 2 and 4 respectively. These numbers point towards intense nature of learning, achievement and success. Density number is calculated by adding numbers given against each alphabet. An example for explanation is Abdus Sattar Eddy, a great philanthropist from Pakistan, who established world's largest free ambulance service. Life path and destiny numbers should be calculated before assessing the personal characters of the individual. Alphabets and their corresponding numbers are summarized on the screen. Preceding narration describes general traits associated with each number. Number 1 is linked to forward motion in numerology. It symbolizes a pioneering spirit, independent nature, and innate leadership capabilities. Persons falling under number 1 must understand that feeling of loneliness can rapidly take space in personality, if not in social circle for longer time. Therefore, they love the support of friends and family to avoid feeling of loneliness. If this number appears as a life path or destiny number, the individual will be astute to subtle energy shifts and emotional disturbances. Persons with number 2 must avoid seeking external validation because they have near-perfect equilibrium in their personality. They restore and recharge quite rapidly. Persons falling under number 3 inspire, motivate, and uplifts others. They find great joy in making others smile. During tough times in profession, they may develop escapist tendencies. In numerology, 4 has an earthy energy and is centered around fortifying its roots. They adamantly believe in the physical rather than spiritual world and feelings. Persons falling under number 4 benefits from their ability to think outside the box and do not shy away from taking bold risks or decisions. 5 is known for its playful, impulsive, and vivacious spirit. Hence, they have difficult time accepting life's day-to-day responsibilities, including professional and interpersonal commitments. Persons falling under number 5 are deeply caring towards their friends, colleagues and family. They easily communicate with children. The trait of caretaking, if dominant, at times make them annoying for young members of the family and professional teams. They have an analytical and investigative approach towards life. They can quickly find flaws in almost any system. Hence, they are a bit of a perfectionist by nature. Within numerology, this number is linked to material wealth and financial success. By using this success to help others, person falling under number 8 realizes that there is nothing more valuable than contributing to the greater good. The mission for person with number 9 is to reach its highest state of consciousness, and to help others achieve this spiritual awareness. They must learn to balance the abstract approach with the tangible, ultimately finding its place at the intersection of fantasy and reality. Master number 11 cultivates extrasensory talents. In numerology, Master number 11 is connected to spiritual enlightenment, awareness, and philosophical balance. Skills of Master number 22 are innovative thoughts. They are industrious, creative, and dependable. Master number 22 is always on a mission to transform. After going through this video, you are now capable to assess the behavior of people in association with their date of births and names. Numerology is a fun way to learn about your personality, strengths and weaknesses. It is not scientific, so you should always use your results in conjunction with other career planning methods. This information on career numerology will give you the opportunity to consider your character traits and personality type. Stay tuned for more discussions on similar subjects from our team working in Interpersonal Skills Development Department of TE&MC. We invite you to support our cause of imparting knowledge through this nonprofit endeavor.